Hey, I want to share some with you. Um, I use Jasper.ai to do a lot of my copywriting and stuff like that for scripts for YouTube videos, and sometimes podcast stuff too. So I wanted to share this one. I learned this myself just recently, and I think this is really cool. So what you can do is go to Jasper.ai and sign up for the free 10,000 words to give this a shot. If you want to give this a try, I think it'll be a lot of fun. The link will be in the description below. So when you sign up, you log in. And you'll come to this page right here, the dashboard. You'll see dashboard, templates, recipes, document, all that fun stuff, bunch of templates. And just to take a quick look, these are all the cool templates that you can get once you get in here. All like stuff like personal bios, features and benefits. But the one we're going to use today is documents. We're going to go back to documents. We're going to hit the plus sign. You're going to start from scratch. Once you get here, you're going to go to power mode. And when you're here, you're looking for YouTube topic ideas. So I did this one already. I put New York City. We'll do it one more time. New York City, New York, things to do, and tone of voice, fun, because, you want to have fun. So you're going to hit generate content ideas. Just now, it generates some content ideas. So the 10 most places to see in New York City, a day in the life of a New Yorker, the best food to try in New York City, how to navigate the subway system in New York City. That's pretty interesting itself. 5 events and activities you can do in New York City. We'll do that one, only in New York City. We'll do this one. I think this is real fun. So make this an H1. H1. Now, highlight this, copy, go to hook, fun and witty, paste. Now hit generate content ideas. Now hit this, gives you the intro, do a little Grammarly. But it gives you, like, if you're looking for some unique, exciting experience, look no further than New York City. Here are 5 events, activities you can only do in New York City. Introduction. Hi, everyone. Welcome to my video. And it gives you, and that's pretty much your intro for the video. The next thing you go would be to script outline. Hit this. Video topic ideas. Hit paste. Generate content ideas. Enter. Oh, cool. 5 things. The Macy's Thanksgiving Parade, my favorite. The New York Boston Marathon, Times Square New Year's Eve, the St. Patrick's Day Parade, and a Broadway show. Actually, these are the only things you actually can do in New York City. So what I do is I'll make these all, highlight all these things, and make them H2. And what you do next is you take each one of them, copy, go to paragraph generator, and paste, generate content. And you hit enter. And you, didn't want to put it there. Wrong spot. Put the cursor here. Right there. I'll do the same thing for all 5 of them. Do this quickly. Copy. Whoop. I messed up. Thanksgiving Day Parade, New York City. I had Boston here before, so we'll go back to the Thanksgiving Parade again. Copy. Paste. Generate. do hit this. New York City. Copy. Paste. Generate. Receive. So you gotta do all these. You gotta do all of them, and it takes a second to do. Paste Times Square. That's a fun thing to do. It's always crowded. Now generate ideas. Bum bum. Takes a second. Here we go. I've seen the ball before in person. It's kind of fun actually. Then you do. Copy this one. Generate ideas. Copy. Then we do this one, last one, number 5. Broadway shows. I always want to see one of those. I heard they're very fun to go to. Get that. There we go. Oh, wrong button. After you have all 5 of them, you go to conclusion. I can find that conclusion. Topics, paragraph generator, conclusion right there. And what are the main points of your blog post? So click highlight here, copy. Put there, like paste. Please subscribe to the channel, positive and fun. Then you put that down there. Hit this one. Get the conclusion out of this so you don't read it to yourself when you're doing the actual video. Here you go. Here's a whole script of the 5 events, activities you can only do in New York City. What I would do is highlight this just to show you how long this video actually is. Go to Big U. It's bigvu.tv. I kind of like this because it's used for scripts for teleprompters. And you paste this in, and it's about a 4-minute script. Well, 5 minutes, let's say 5 minutes. A 5-minute script on about 5 activities they can only do in New York City. Pretty interesting. You want to find out more or give it a shot and play around with it, go to Jasper.ai, or actually click the link below in the description, and you can get 10,000 words for free. To play around with it, have some fun, and create some really great content. Well, thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.